All right, here's a little taste, guys. Okay. Oh my God. This is the fastest, it's the fastest bike I've ever ridden. He's the fastest man alive. Alright, what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually really excited. It's like 80 degrees right now in Southern California on February 1st. I'm going to be taking out our 2020 S1000RR after the Bren Flash, Stage 2 Flash, and the exhaust and the full titanium system and the sprint filter and all the stuff that we did. I haven't ridden the bike and I've been waiting so that I could get my first reaction, like legitimate reaction with you guys. So yeah, we're going to be taking the bike out today, seeing how different it is, and I can't freaking wait, so stay tuned. So before we get started, there is one other thing I wanted to mention. When I talked about the total horsepower gain in the last video, I was comparing it to a stock run that we did 2 weeks prior, and Bren said that when they actually worked on the Flash for us with Brian, our dyno tuner, they actually loaded a stock map onto the bike to do a baseline pull, and it did 190 horsepower.
Those guys are checking out the
what's up, guys? And so it did 190 with the stock Flash on the same day. After they tuned it, it did 199, but we rounded up to 200 horsepower. So it actually gained 10 horsepower comparing same day dyno run, which is really important because you really can't compare different days because different conditions, everything like that. So it actually didn't pick up 1 or 2 horsepower, picked up 10 total horsepower, along with those insane gains in the mid-range, 60 horsepower in third gear in the mid-range, and 50 something in second and whatever. So this is going to be a completely transformed bike. I'm really excited for this, so let's get down there. So before we hop on the bike, another thing that the Stage 2 Bren Flash fixed is the cold start issue that was happening with these bikes. When you start them up cold, they'd be jumping all over the place, backfiring, popping, and screwing up. So this bike hasn't been started in about 5 days or so. So it's a true cold start, and watch how this thing fires up. Okay, oh my God, guys. So as I mentioned, this is the first time I'm riding this bike after the full titanium exhaust system, after the sprint filter, after the Stage 2 Bren Flash, the sensor relocation, the small block off plates, the flapper delete kit. I gotta tell you guys, this is a completely different bike. I was actually a little bit worried. Oh my God. I was a little bit worried that the exhaust was going to be too loud, but it actually sounds completely fine. Maybe for like super long trips, it might get a little droney, but if you just keep it down in the lower RPMs, it's totally fine. I am getting some pops when I shift, and then when I go off the throttle, it'll crackle a little bit. I got to tell you, so another thing that Bren Stage 2 Flash did was, they said they made this quick shifter 30% faster shifting. I can 100% notice a difference, not only on the downshifts but on the upshifts too, and watch this, it's instant. It is instant, and this bike feels like a completely different machine right now. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. So actually, while I'm heading to my exit here, I wanted to mention a few other things. The Bren Stage 2 Flash does so much stuff. I can't cover it all in this video. I can't remember it all. So I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can click on it, read everything that this Flash does above and beyond the Stage 1 Flash that they already have. But like I mentioned, the faster quick shifter up and down, obviously 10 horsepower gain they claim, and it depends obviously on the dyno and all the day and all that kind of stuff. The cold start issue that it fixes, that 100% fixed it. And then obviously all those mid-range gains that you get, we gained just under 60 horsepower in third gear alone. And then it does all kinds of other stuff too. So you guys can go on there and read about it, but actually, shit, that's my exit. Oop, don't mind me. Listen to that. Oh my God, dude. The downshifts. Oh my God. I love the little pops after each one too. Dude. Fuck, man. Okay, yeah. This is the fastest bike I've ever ridden. Those quick shifts are ridiculous. I just can't believe that, dude. I hope you guys can hear this, man. Listen to that downshift. Oh my God, it barks. It literally barks at you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, it completely transformed this bike. Holy shit, guys. So, huge thank you to Manny from Moto Million for help sponsoring this build, getting us all of these parts. Guys, we're literally just getting started with this build. The full carbon subframe just arrived yesterday. The new carbon Rotobox boost wheels that are painted blue just arrived a couple days ago. Oh man, we got full carbon tank coming for this bad boy, carbon fairings. We've already saved 18 pounds. Oh my God. With just a full titanium exhaust system. Oh my God. You gotta be really careful. I'm only in dynamic mode. I'm not even in any of the race pro settings or anything like that. Holy shit, it feels like this thing wants to lift up and literally take flight. All right, let's give it a little shot here. Actually, I wanna see third gear. It's a missile. It literally is a freaking missile. That is so ridiculous. And I know there's so many cops on this road, so I have to be very, very careful. Guys, I'm at a loss for words. I am at an absolute loss for words. The cool thing about it is it's so incredibly fast, and yet it's so smooth with the power delivery that you can totally handle it, you know? It's not like out of control like some of the Panigales can be, with like punch you in the face torque and all that kind of stuff. It's completely controllable. My God, guys. I am shocked, absolutely shocked by this thing. Oh, I just want to rip it so hard, but I don't want to get arrested. Jesus God. Now it has that power right at 5,000, right where you want it for the street. You just twist it. Oh my God. The downshifts. It's the best quick shifter and auto blipper I've ever used, hands down. And that's 100% from that Bren Flash. Holy shit, guys. And the power is just, oh, it's so good. I am shocked by Bren. Well done, guys. Very, very impressed. This is the first time I've ever used a Bren product on any of my bikes. Very, very impressed, guys. Hats off to you guys. Holy shit balls. Let's listen. It is ridiculous. I am praying that this comes across on camera. I hope that you guys can hear the way this thing sounds. Oh my God. This exhaust sounds so good. Oh my God. This is gonna be one of the best bikes in the world when we're done with it. Yeah, it's gonna be it'll probably be like 390 pounds with a full tank of gas, and it made 200 horsepower in the dyno. That's so ridiculous. So another thing I just remembered, God, Jesus. The Bren 2 stage flash also supposedly helped the bike run a little, obviously more efficiently, and it also helps it run cooler and stop and go traffic and kind of stuff. So there's also day-to-day improvements. It's not just about total horsepower and that kind of stuff. So that's a really cool thing. I like that they do stuff like that. Also, listen to the pops on this thing when I downshift. And every time you go off the gas, watch. Oh my God. This exhaust sounds so good. Everybody who was saying, get an SE Project exhaust, okay, I see now why you were saying that. It is incredible. Oh my God, I can't get over those quick shifts. That is, it's instant. Oh my God, it's so good. Let's check out fourth gear. Oh my God. It's just, wow, it's instant, guys. That is ridiculous. Holy Christ. Wow, this bike handles so well too. It is insane. Oh, listen to those downshifts. Oh God, it's so good. Oh my God. whoever wins this bike, you're gonna have to be very, very careful on the street because it just wants to freaking propel you. If I can get around this guy. Wow. Okie dokie. This is amazing. Look at this. Yeah, even fourth gear is like, I can't even imagine. Okay. All right. That is. Listen to that. Oh my God. I think that's the best sounding shift I've ever heard on a motorcycle. It just sounds like a freaking MotoGP bike. It's so ridiculous. Oh my God. The downshifts you don't even feel. Wow. All right, so I'll take you guys down for a quick rip here on my favorite road. I can't get over the sound of this exhaust. I'm praying that it comes through because it is just ridiculous, guys. Oh my God. All right, let's see what we can do here. I haven't been on this road in a while, so be a little bit careful. Good God. Second gear is crazy now. Like, it's ridiculous. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. It's a missile. Okay. Oh my God. I can't get over this thing, dude. This is ridiculous. Oh my Lord. Yeah, this belongs on a track. It belongs on a racetrack. But to be honest, you can still have a lot of fun on the street with this thing now since it has all that mid-range power. You just feel like a freaking professional rider, which I am clearly not. Holy crap, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to be really careful on this thing because I'm gonna get arrested. Holy shit. Well, it's ridiculous. I don't know what else to say. Brentuning, you guys crushed it. The exhaust is incredible. Everything just works so well together. There's geese on the road. Okay, I gotta be careful. This right here, guys, this is what it's all about for me. Just by myself on a beautiful back road on an insane motorcycle, filming for you guys. Like, it doesn't get any better than this, man. I'm so thankful for what I get to do and for you guys supporting what I do. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, this is actually a giveaway motorcycle, so if you guys want to help support these projects, be entered to win them when we're done, check out the Patreon page. It's just patreon.com/Campisi Custom. It's always the first link down in the description below. But wow, yeah, I mean, you can. That is insane. It's intoxicatingly fun, dude. Look at this. Oh man. All right, here's a little taste, guys. Okay. Oh my God. This is the fastest bike I've ever ridden. He's the fastest man alive. He's the fastest man alive. Well, needless to say, there's no more dead spots. Oh my God. I can't even begin to show you guys the capabilities of this thing on the street because I'm literally going to get arrested. So, of course, this is a closed road. These are all paid actors. So, you know, don't try this at home. But, yeah, there's really nothing else to say, guys. I'm absolutely blown away by this bike. It's a completely different machine than it was stock. Brentuning crushed it. The full exhaust system, all the other modifications we've made so far just feel freaking insane. So yeah, I am beyond stoked for this thing. I'm super happy with how it's turning out so far. We have a lot of mods coming. So make sure you guys sign up if you're interested in helping to support projects like these and being entered to win them when we're done. Patreon.com/Campisi Customs. If you like the channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more. My God, guys, listen to that. Oh my God. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Oh my sweet mother of God.